Hello everyone, this is Robert with HomeCraft. I'm here at our newest listing in Plymouth Township. This one is stunning and it's ready for you for the holidays. It's a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath, 1 half bath colonial in the sought after Trailwood subdivision. We're walkable to downtown Plymouth, walkable to both Bird Elementary School and West Middle School. Let's take a peek. Come on.